Welcome to Astro Venture, the DSLR astrophotography channel. Hey there, Astro Ventures. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel and this might be your first time here, my name is George, and this particular astrophotography channel is centered around DSLR or mirrorless camera bodies and using the lenses we own combined with a star tracker to do astrophotography. Now, I wanted to take a quick moment and tell you about one of the tools that I like to bring to the field, and that's green lasers. Green lasers are absolutely amazing. Unlike their red laser counterpart, a green laser will illuminate in the night sky. And this is awesome because when you're trying to point out a target or, show a constellation, you can use the green laser, and from wherever the person is standing, they're able to see the same endpoint in the night sky. Unlike standing out there and pointing and, nobody knows exactly where it is that you're pointing to because every vantage point is different based on where they're standing. Now, I have two different models here. This one works off of a AAA battery, and you simply press and hold the silver button on the side and it illuminates the laser. The other laser that I use has a clickable button on the back, and this allows me to turn it on, turn it off. This is really useful because I will often use my lasers to do a quick polar alignment to get my base to my star tracker quickly aligned to Polaris before having to do the fine detail alignment. Both of these lasers I purchased off of a website called wish.com. This is no product endorsement. I don't get any kickback from wish.com, but the lasers are really, really inexpensive. This first one with the press and hold button, $3. The second one that was clickable, that one I paid $7. You cannot match that kind of pricing for anything that you're going to purchase here stateside or off of Amazon. So I encourage you to check it out. Downside, anything that you order, you're going to expect to wait for at least a month before it gets there. It's slow, but you can't beat $3, $7. They're awesome. So again, check it out. It's a tool I think you really want to have in your tool bag for the night. And until next time, I wish everyone clear skies.